Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are learning about how to make Chrome extensions. So in this video we will walk through the process step by step, and by the end you will understand Chrome extension development using the Manifest version 3. So now if you are new to the Chrome extension development, you might wonder what is Manifest. Think it's a blueprint or set of instruction for our Chrome extension. So in the past, Chrome extension used the Manifest version 2, but now we have Manifest version 3. So which brings some changes and improvements. One of the big changes moves toward the stronger security and performance, and you can go through the all the changes. What are the changes are there in the v3? I will post this link. I will give this link in the description. You can go over that. Now let's start the Chrome extension development. So I'm going to create a new folder over here in the demo folder, and for the development part I am using VS Code, so you can choose whatever editor you want. Now as I mentioned, like, the manifest is the main file, or that is the main blueprint of the extension. So first we have to create that file. So let's just check hello world example, and just let me just copy this one, and I'm going to create a new file, and we have to give it as a manifest.json file, because this is the blueprint or extension. So now let's understand all these fields. So first one is the manifest, so that will be the latest version 3. Then the name, so this is our Chrome extension name. Let's call it demo 1. Same way, description, so let is called basic extension. This both name and description going to display in the extension page. Now version, that is the version of our Chrome extension. If we make any changes after development of the initial version, then we can increase like 1.1 or 2.1. So let's first call it 1.0. Now this action, so in action we have default pop-up and default icon. So default pop-up means we have to give it a HTML page path. So let me first create one folder over here as a pop-up, and inside that I am going to create popups.html. so I have to update my path, says pop-up slash popup.html, and the default icon, so this we have to give it the path of the image that Chrome will use as the extension icon. So let me just download the icon. Same way I'm going to create a new folder, images, and I'm just put it down here. So same way I have to update path here, images slash logo.png, and in the HTML file I'm just going to copy simple HTML. So it says hello extension. So let's first install this extension. So what we have to do is we have to copy the root path of the manifest file. We have to go to the Chrome to install the, go to the extension page, manage extension. So to install from the local, first we have to enable developer mode, so enable that, then click on the load unpacked and just paste the path, and select folder. So as you can see, the name that we have given to the here demo 1, then this is description, and this is the version 1.0. Now if I click over here, you can see the icon is visible here and the hello extension. So this is the pop-up as the Chrome extension pop-up. Now as you can see, we don't see icon over here, so let's add that. So to add the icon over here, we have to add one more property called icons. So let's add that, and in that we have different resolutions. So let's set for the 128, and we have to give it the same path. So let's just copy this one, and if I go to the extension and just reload the page, I mean the reload icon, as you can see now we have this icon as well. So this was the basic understanding of the Chrome extension development. So the one thing that we learned today is about the Chrome extension pop-up. So whatever page path we give, that will appear over here as the extension pop-up page. So whatever HTML we have, that is going to display over here, and the basic understanding of the manifest file like name, description, action, and the icons. So in the next video we are going to cover uh, other other fields of the manifest and some advanced level Chrome extension development.